Good afternoon, everybody. So today we will discuss about why we are or you are not getting a deserving job or promotion. Okay, we will discuss about why we are not getting a job or deserving promotion. Okay, the reason behind not getting the promotion would be if the company is not doing good. Okay, sometimes what happens, the company is not doing good. In that case, either you are as much as capable or skilled, and or you are doing as much good as you can. Okay, but you will not get increment or the promotion until and unless your company is not doing good. Okay, so it's easy to take things personally at work. It's not always fair or accurate to do so. When a company isn't doing well, for example, management might not feel they are in a position to promote anyone, okay, regardless of their dedication or work performance, like I told you. Okay, if the company is not doing good, then they will not give you increment or promotion until and unless the company is not doing well. So take a good look around and think, so see the things and about how your company is doing. If your company will be doing good, it chances are very high that you will also get be promoted, or you will get increment and hikes and some thing benefits also. But if company itself is not doing good, in that case it becomes very tough to get some such kind of things. Okay, and next comes, if the business is not doing well, that could very well be the reason you are not being promoted. Is the company expanding? You need to ask this, or you need to review this. Is the company expanding, or are they just trying to stay afloat? Is the company expanding, or they are going on the same level how they were earlier? Okay, and are your co-workers being promoted? If your co-workers are being promoted, in that case you can think ki company is doing good, but you are not able to do good, or you are not able to perform well, and you are not getting promotion because of that. Okay, or some of them moving on to the other companies. In such some cases you can find it out also, that are some people moving to some other companies, or are they working in the same company. The fact that you aren't moving up could say more about the company than and it does about you. Okay, have you haven't earned it. Sometimes what happened, कि you haven't earned promotion. Okay, to get promotion or to get increment, you need to earn it. Okay, so there are some common misconceptions about earning a promotion, especially among young workers. Okay, young workers to think, or do have some misconceptions that they can earn a promotion. Okay, a study from the Inside Out Development, which was reported by Forbes, found that 76% of the Generation Z workers, whose age is nearby 18 to 23 years, believe they should be promoted within the first year of starting their first job. Okay, the members or the candidates who are in the age group of 18 to 23 do always think that they must be promoted within 1 year of their first job. Okay, and 32% think that they will deserve that promotion within the first 6 months. Some people do think that they will deserve the promotion within the 6 months, or they will get the promotion and they expect the promotion within 6 months. Okay, but it takes more than the time to earn a promotion. Okay, what takes, some people do think that if you will spare more time in a company, then you will be promoted, but it is not so. Okay, it happens in the case if the company is doing good and you are doing good. Exactly, the promotion is not depending upon the time spent with the company. If someone is spending 10 years 15 years with the company, and if he is not doing as good, or if he's not worth anything for the company, he will not get promotion, even he would be demoted also. So never think that while working in a company for 1 year 2 year 3 years you will get promotion. Promotion is totally getting promotion is totally different than the tenure passed with the company. Okay, It isn't guaranteed just because you have been in the same position for a few months or even few years. Okay, so it is not like moving on to the next grade in a school after a certain amount of time and progress. Like, it's not like a school. If you will spend 1 year in a school, you will be upgraded to next year or next class. It is not like that. For that also you need to work, but in some cases you can be promoted in schools, but it is not the company where you can be promoted like that. Okay, and in order to be promoted, you have to show the company that you had be a better asset to them in a different position. You will have always to show that you are the better one, or you are the one who is doing best for the company and who can do different from the others. Okay, and you don't move up the ranks because of seniority, the attendance, or even competence. What happens in nowadays in the companies is, or the corporate is, you cannot move up because of the ranks or because of the seniority. Okay, and the matters what is that is competence, your skills. Okay, you move up because of you prove that the company that it is not in their best interest to promote you. Okay, you move up because you prove to the company, that it isn't their best interest to promote you if you haven't earned a promotion, which takes time as well as exceptional performance. Okay, to earn the promotion, what you need to do is you need to take some time also with the company, or you need to work for some time with the company, and you need to keep your performance very high. Okay, you usually won't receive one until and unless you will not do it. You will not receive a promotion, or you will not get promoted. Okay, sometimes what happens, you have outgrown then company. Now here, outgrown means, sometimes what happens, if your company is progressing with the 5% every year or 10% every year, and if you yourself are promoting by 10% or 15% at the rate ratio of 10 or 15%, then what happens, your company remains back, and you goes away from the company. Okay, now the times have changed. These days it is not always best to stay with the company. Okay, from graduation to retirement, in fact, there are some hidden rewards of the job hopping. Okay, that you really ought to know about. For example, changing a job every so often can help you earn more. If you change it, if you change the job, then it can help you more. And if you stay with the same company, it is not going to give you more than 2 3%, 5%, 7%, max to max 10% increment. But if you are looking for higher raises in your salary as well as different profile, the senior profile, then it is always best that you go to any another company. You go to any another company, give an interview, and be selected over there, get the offer and grab the opportunity. But like we discussed yesterday, it should be always in your mind that never join any company because of any one factor. Say for example, any company is giving you good salary, then never join that company. For joining a company or to join any new organization, it is most important that you evaluate all the options, what are best fit or best. Okay, so for example, if any company is offering you good salary, that's okay. If any company's culture is not good, then do not join that company, because if the culture will not be good of any company, then it will create a problem for you mentally later on. So always think about it before switching to any company. But yes, if you're looking for higher wages, then it's most important that you change your company. Okay, what is next? Similarly, there may be times where you reach a point when you have outgrown your current company. You may be ready for the next step, a more challenging and rewarding position, but perhaps your organization isn't ready for you. This is the same point. There are some key indicators that you have outgrown your company. Some indicators are there, key indicators are there, what let you know that you have outgrown the company, that you can, okay, and you should be. Keep in mind, namely, if you aren't given opportunity to learn and grow, say for example, if you are not being given opportunity to learn and grow in any company, then you must have decided that you have outgrown from the company. Or if you no longer feel aligned with the company's values, if the company's values are not making match with your interest, or are not enough good to you, then you should feel that you have outgrown the company. Okay. And if you no longer feel aligned with the company's values, it could mean that it's time to move on. Perhaps you are not being promoted because of your next best step is to look elsewhere for your next job. Okay, guys. So sometimes they don't know you are interested. So it is always very good to show that you are interested to be promoted. Sometimes what happens, your nearest boss or your senior boss or your super boss do not know that are you really looking for the promotion or not. Okay. So it might seem obvious to you that you had like to be promoted, but that does not necessarily means that it's obvious to your boss. If you are looking for your promotion, then it should be always, or you should always keep it in front of your boss that you are looking for a promotion. Okay. The one potential reason you aren't moving up in your company is that the higher ups don't know that you are interested in doing so. If your boss or if your seniors are not knowing or don't know about that you are looking for higher positions or you are looking for promotion, in that case you will not be promoted. Okay. So clearly communicating your goals and ambitions is one of the most important thing you can do for your career. Okay. Always communicate your goals and your ambitions with your boss and your super boss so that they can think about you, they can know that he's the one to whom we can give these kind of opportunities or these kind of options. And it's ultimately good for the organization too. If you are doing so, if you are looking for the challenging jobs and you are looking for new things, then it is always good for your organizations also and your company also that you want to grow in an organization. So sharing your goals with your boss may seem like a risky proposition. If you are sharing your goals with your boss, it would be a risky proposition, but with thought, it can provide you with greater opportunity and a stronger relationship with your manager. If you will share your goals with your manager, it would be risky also sometimes, and it would give you opportunity also to make better relationship with your manager. Okay. So this can also add employee retention value to the company. What it can do, it can add employee retention value to the company. So for example, if you are interested in getting promotion and your boss don't know, but later on what happens, if you are interested in your boss don't know, then in that case what happens, your boss or your super boss can hire someone else in spite of you. But in such a case, when you can be promoted or your boss know that this is the one who is looking for a promotion, then they can promote you also, and it helps the company to retain their existing employees. Okay, so take advantage of opportunities to talk with your boss about your future regularly. Okay, always take these opportunities to discuss with your boss about the opportunities regularly. Annual review season can sometime offer an occasion for this. Okay, and remember that you need to inform your boss about your plans and ambitions. This is most important. We have discussed it 3 4 times and I have told you 3 4 times. And don't assume that your desired path is obvious. Okay. You lack the requisite skills. Sometimes what happens, guys, you lack the requisite skills, and because of that you do not get increment or you do not get promotion. So always spend time with an organization. Like, it is the time spent with an organization cannot make up for the lack of the qualifications. If you are lacking on some of the skills or qualification, then if you spend more time with an organization, it cannot help you out to get promotion or to get get the or to fill up the gap what is because of your skills. So you should not expect to be offered a job when you don't possess the skills that it requires. Okay. So all, don't expect a job to be offered to you until and unless you do not expect until and unless you do not possess the skills that it requires to perform. Okay. Even if you are doing a fantastic job in your current organization or current position, you cannot move up unless you can do the job. If you cannot do the job properly, you cannot move up. If you are being passed over for a promotion, take some time to really investigate the requirement of the job you want. if you really want to grow. Okay, then you need to check or investigate what exactly this role require. Okay, and think which skills you need to improve in order to meet those requirement. Always think about the skills. Every job, you know, do need different kind of skills. Say for example, if you are in marketing, then you need very good communication skill, you need very good report building skill, you need very good interpersonal skills. Okay, if you are in data science, you need very good calculative thinking, analytical thinking. You must have command over some of the, you know, languages. Sorry. There is someone whose voice is coming from behind. Kindly mute yourself. Okay. So next is then determine how you can go about obtaining them. Do you need to take a class? If you need to take a class, then go and take a class. If you need to, if you can do it at your own, then do it at your own. And can you work towards building those abilities on the job in the some way? Sometimes what happens, there some skills are required that can be achieved or acquired while you are working in any company or organization. Okay, so finding ways to develop the skills, the job you are or you want to require. Okay, so one requires you can help put you on the path to promotion. If you do all these kind of things, if you know gather all the knowledge, all the skills what are required to perform any job, then it can help you a lot to get promotion. You lack emotional intelligence. Sometimes if you lack on the emotional intelligence, then it can make a problem in getting promoted. Okay, so being in a leadership position requires more than just proficiency with the work itself. If you want to, you know, get the some leadership roles, then it is not good that you are good enough, or it is not sufficient if you are very good on doing your work. You should be very good on emotional intelligence also. Manager also need to be good with the people. If you are a manager, then you should be very good with the people also. People means you should be good with your boss, with your colleagues, with your, you know, immediate or with your, you know, super senior, super boss. And you should have very good communication skills as well, because communication skill plays very vital role in your improvement nowadays. If you aren't getting promoted, it could be because you aren't flexing your emotional intelligence muscles enough. If you're not getting promotion, then it also would be a reason if you're not flexing your emotional intelligence muscles. So folks who are excellent at handling their own emotions and the emotional ups and downs of others are huge asset for any company. So they are huge asset of any company. However, the workers who are emotional, unpredictable, or easily overwhelmed or aggravated, for example, can feel like more of liability. If they are in that way, then they looks like a liability to any company. And if someone can handle these things, then he looks like a asset to any company. Even if you are great at your work or your job, you could be passed over for a promotion if you haven't shown your capabilities in the realm of emotional intelligence. And these days, soft skills like emotional intelligence are often a key for getting ahead professionally. Okay, guys? And so focus on developing these skills if you are serious about your career. So always try to manage or try to, you know, handle your emotionals or emotional intelligence while working on in an organization. You should not be, you know, very much emotional also. You should not be very least emotional also. You should be, you know, very, you know, sensitive while dealing with the people, because dealing with the people is the only way what can take you ahead. Otherwise, most of the persons who are working in an organization, they know about the things that how to do their work. If someone is working in any profession or in any company or on any role, then definitely they knows that what exactly the things are going to be done. But these are the skills what are, you know, acquired and what are, you know, done or taken care by the peoples very carefully. And sometimes what happens, if you are not taking credit, nowadays it is called like, you know, buttering. But buttering is a totally different thing, and taking credit is totally different thing. Okay, so always try to take credit of the things whatever you do. Do not leave the things on the, you know, God's sake, that God is watching everything. No. Yeah, God is there, Almighty is there, He's watching each and everything, but no, when you are doing something, then it should be taken care. Okay, like there is a proverb in Hindi, jungle mein moor nacha kisne dekha. Okay, if there is a peacock and that is dancing in forest, okay, if someone have not seen that, then what is the benefit of seeing, or what is the benefit of that dance? If more will dance, and if people are looking at it, then only they can preach about it, that yeah, he is very good, he is looking so nice. So always try to take credit of the things. Yeah, you should do your things, you should do your things, you should take care of your work, but with that you should take credit also, that yeah, I have done it. Okay, if you aren't being promoted and you cannot figure out why, make a point to take a step back. Okay, keep in mind that being promoted does not just happen because you are doing a great job. It happens because those who have the power to promote you realize that you haven't been doing a great job, and that are ready for the what next. Okay guys, you are not independent enough. If you are not independent enough, then you will not get promotion. This is also very important point. So for example, you, if for taking any every decision, you are going to your boss. If there is a problem, you are going to boss, that sir, there is a problem, how to solve it. If there is a problem, how to solve it. And if you are asking your colleagues that there is a problem, how to handle it, there is something new, how to handle that project, how to handle that, how to manage those things. So do not be dependent on others. Okay, so always be independent and take strategic decisions in a such a way that these are in favor of the organization. If the decisions will be in the favor of organization, definitely these are going to help you a lot. Okay, and there are certain things that you can do to demonstrate this type of competence. For example, write things down when you are given instructions. Okay, rather than trusting that you will remember everything. So write down the things rather than trusting that you will remember everything. This helps to show that you are responsible and independent enough to move up the rank. Okay, and sometimes what happens, you are not open to feedback and criticism. You should always be open to take feedback and bear the criticism up if people are doing. Okay, it takes a certain kind of strength to work in a leadership. Okay, position. One way to demonstrate that you are ready to show that you have the ability to take constructive feedback and criticism. This is a key to improving your skill and abilities. Okay guys, as difficult as it might be, so always be open to take your feedback, that where I'm lacking behind on the skills, where I'm lacking behind on the emotional skills, where I'm lacking behind on the dealing with the people, where I'm lacking behind in some such kind of talking with the people, or whatever the way it would be. Okay, always take feedback about you. Always take some suggestions from people, that what can I do, what could be better for me, what could I improve upon. And also bear the criticism by the people. Sometimes people would say that you are not good on it, you are bad on it. So take that, accept that badness, accept that feedback, accept that the criticism done by the someone, and take corrective actions to correct those mistakes. Okay, and that is the only way to lead you to promotion. And sometimes what happens, you don't really want it. Sometimes what happens, people become lethargic in an organization, and they do think whatever they are doing, that is best. Okay, or they do not need to any kind of other promotion. And sometimes people become very becomes very comfortable while doing the job, so they do never look for the promotion, and they like to work in an simple situation, that yeah, I'm coming 9 to 5, getting this amount, taking care of my kids. That's it. What else I want? So realize it, whether you really look, or whether you are in need of a promotion or not. Okay. So promotion are not something that just happens automatically. Promotions do not happen automatically. Staying in a job for a long time won't earn you anyone. If you are staying in a job for a long time, it will not earn you any promotion, and just doing a great job might not. If you are doing a job very greatly, then this also is not going to work. There are lots of moving pieces to consider here, but there are one piece, there is a one piece you might not to have examined. Perhaps you don't really want to be promoted. Okay, Maybe you are content, maybe your content or confidence in your current job, or maybe you aren't motivating to put in the time to efforts required to move up the ladder. Maybe you aren't being promoted because of you don't want to be, and not because of you can't be, but when you are ready for what next, you will put in the work that requires. Until then, as long as you feel content in your role, there is nothing wrong with staying put. Okay, guys. So always try to move up to the ladder. Never try to stay in the same position. Now these were the points where we learned that why we are not getting a promotion. Now we will learn that how to get promoted, and how we can upgrade in the ladder. So set and communicate career goals. Always set and communicate your career goals with your boss, with your super boss. Okay, it is mandatory. If you will not tell these things to your boss, then you will face a problem. Just for a while, guys. I'm so sorry, everybody. Can you see my screen, please? Anybody, can you tell me, please? Are you able to see my screen?
Sure, yes, sir.
Okay. So here is set and communicate career goals. Set and communicate your career goals with your boss, with your super boss, and always be a team player. When we are working in a team, then always be a team player. Team, what do we mean by team player here? Employer don't like when people are focused on I rather than we. Every employer want that there should be team players and people should work together. He or the employers never believe in the condition of I, that I can do it, I do it, I do it. So always be a team player, always be coordinated with your team members or with your colleagues. So they want team players who are committed to helping greater good of the team, and which ultimately benefits the company. If people will benefits the company. Someone is there on unmute mode, kindly mute yourself. Niharika. Okay. So next point is make yourself indispensable or irreplaceable. Okay, irreplaceable. If you are working in any company, then make yourself irreplaceable. Okay, do the things in such a way that your employer do fear to replace you. You should do your things in such a way, or you should deal with the things in such a way that always the employer think 3 4 times 5 times in replacing you. So how can you make yourself an indispensable member of your team? One way is to become to go to the person for something specific like designing dynamic sales, back to the dealing with the challenging customers. These are some of the key points, okay, that how you can make yourself irreplaceable. So for this, there is a designing dynamic sales decks to dealing with the challenging customers. People in position like this are not only sought after by the co-workers, but also seen by the leadership when they are naturally stand out as someone people are always looking for. And next is keep learning. Always take initiatives. Show your boss that you are committed continuously improving and developing your skills. Always show your boss that you are continuously developing your skills by finding learning opportunities both within the office and outside of it, or outside the office. Okay. This does not mean you need to go this does not mean you need to get your master's or PhD unless that's relevant to your job. Okay. Now here the skill is not about getting the higher degree or education. It is all about getting those skills what are required for performing a job well. Next is document your success or advocate for yourself. Like we discussed in last slide also, last to last slide, that document your success, okay, or preach about yourself or do your advocacy. Okay, when asking for a promotion, leadership is going to want to know what kind of value you bring to the business. any employer or any company or any boss can give you promotion only if you tell them that you have done this or you have achieved this for the company. Okay, so rather trying to think back at all you have accomplished, but build a working portfolio through the year. After you have completed an important project or performed a record sales in the month, document it. So always whatever you do, document it and advocate for yourself that I am the person who have done it. So until and unless you will not tell anybody that what I have done, why you are going to get, the promotion. So keep a record of everything, whatever you do, because it enhances the bottom line of the company. Next is don't be afraid to take charge, show leadership or potential. Guys, don't be afraid to take charge of the things, and so always show the leadership potential that I'm the person who can lead the things. So do you display the passion, trustworthiness, decisiveness and confidence while you are working? Okay, do you show all these things? Do you show passion, trustworthiness, decisiveness and confidence? Possessing these type of leadership skills is the essential for getting promoted. If you have all these kind of skills, then you can be promoted very easily. So don't be afraid to take charge and show the leadership while doing the work. Okay. And next point comes network with the right people and stay connected. If you are working with any company, then it is not mandatory, or it not only it is mandatory or must that you coordinate with all the members in your team, but you should be very good on communicating with other departments also. Other departments here, I mean that when you are working in, say for example, in sales department, then you should have good relation with the people in the production department also. You should have good relationship with the licensing department also. You should have good relationship with HR department also, because when you are in touch of so many departments or members, then it makes one of your good image. Okay. And if your image will be good in the mind of the people who are in your organization or company, it helps you a lot, guys. And so take the advantage of every networking opportunity you have, even if it is a small get together with the new co-workers at the lunch. Okay. Networking with networking with others within your organization and otherwise will allow you to get to know the people who can provide support now. When you are into any get together, or you are any birthday party function, or or you are in any program where the company is doing some of its kind of announcement, or if company is telling the peoples, or it is a kind of get together. So always do networking with the peoples, so that you can tell them, or you can show yourself, you can showcase yourself. So nowadays the world is changing, or the corporate world is changing very rapidly. Until and unless you will not show that I'm this one, or I'm this, people are not going to notice you. Okay. So always showcase yourself and do networking with the right peoples. And also try to always, it is not like to get in touch with all the peoples, but you should connect with right peoples always. There are so many peoples in market nowadays, or so many peoples in offices also. There are so many negative peoples. So always be in touch with the positive peoples, or who can help you out in growing ladder of your career. It's also a chance to promote yourself and your skills as well. While you are in any gathering, there is a chance, and you can reap the similar benefits by getting involved with groups in your organization, like those who help plan event or keep the office stocked. Okay. Next is be an engaged employee and get involved. Always be a engaged employee and get involved in the things. Say for example, you are in a sales team. Now sometimes you would say, ki, why should I participate, or why should I get involved in the corporate corporate functional or annual meeting of any company. Say for example, you are in sales, then you would say, ki, no, why should I attend the annual meeting of company? Why should I attend the birthday party of other member of other department? So always whatever is being or done by the company, always try to get involved in all those things, so that your importance, or so that your importance can be seen there. Okay. So being engaged goes beyond paying attention or taking notes in meeting. Okay, both of which are also important. It means being an active member of your organization, attending every optional like lunch and learn, or coming up with new ideas for sharing successes in the workplace. This shows your commitment to the company and success of your co-workers. So thank you everybody. This was the all for today. And in next videos also, in next sessions also, we will keep on discussing something. Now we will connect right away. Many times I have seen that you people do not connect again. You're requested to please connect again after this session. Okay, so that Vibhur, please connect again with after this session so that we can.
Sir, yeah, I yesterday I means try to connect. I wait for 5 up to 5 o'clock, but you're not.
So welcome back to the session, guys. Yes, Vibhur, you were saying something.
Yes, sir. I am saying yesterday I wait up to 5 o'clock, but means till I'm not connecting. Means you told now means after connecting means after getting reconnect yourself. But I wait 5 o'clock up to 5 o'clock. I wait, but
Maybe
means
are
no
there may be some kind of network problem or something like that. Anyways, today we can have a detailed discussion here. Not a problem at all.
Okay. Sir, I want to ask one thing. Today, I got one mail like Info Age. This is for marketing profile, right? Not data scientist.
Yeah, that is not for data analytics. Yeah.
Okay. So, but I want to ask one thing. Means till now I did not get one deserving means like company. So I want to
Vibhur,
ask.
Vibhur, I'm regularly working on these things. Okay, and
Okay.
I'm very happy that you're showing your that much interest in getting placement. Okay, I'm really very happy and pleased also. But I'm working regularly and in the direction of getting you some
Yes, sir.
placement opportunities.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir. I understand. No problem.
Yeah, and
Yes,
I
actually, my training is going very good, sir, and I'm focusing on my training first. After that, placement is so. It's like if I learn something good, that definitely placement will good, right? I know.
you need not to worry about the placement, sir. I'm there to help you a lot. You need not to worry. But
Okay, sir.
nowadays things are going on. So I'm focusing on some of the
Sir, I
management
just
level.
want to ask one thing. ARN software is still means vacancies is there. ARN software.
Positively, yeah, vacancy is there. I can check it out with the HR. If you're saying like that, I can check it out once.
Okay, no
Maybe
problem, sir. If vacancy is there or no, means like you can give another opportunity to me. No problem, sir.
I'll
I'll
give you.
wait.
No, that is not a problem. You can ping me at 5 p.m. nearby 5 or 6 p.m. Okay, so that I'll let you know the
Okay,
status of that company also, because for that company you were the
okay.
only one who applied. Okay, Vibhur. But let's see. Nowadays, good thing is this also that that company is giving you option from work from home.
Yeah.
That is also very good point. Abhishek, you want to say something, please?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, Abhishek.
Actually, is there any opening? Is there any opening in sir regarding my profile in Ranchi, Jharkhand location?
You're pursuing which course from our?
Already, actually, I have done a postgraduate program in a business administration plus sales and supply chain, sir.
Sales and supply chain, and particularly you are looking for
Yes.
a placement opportunity in Jharkhand. Gi-
Yes, yes, yes,
give
yes.
me a
And
second.
already,
Yeah, please tell me.
actually, I'm working with the. Yes, sir. I am working with the Cryviva as a relationship manager from last 2019. But
Yeah, 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 yeah.
due
That
to some
profile is
family issue,
little tough.
I
That profile is little tough. You need to wander here and there, and you need to meet so many peoples every day,
yes.
and daily basis kind of targets are there. That I know.
That is not concern, sir. But without without a help of doctor, you cannot go in this sector. And most of the doctors are now right now due after COVID, they are not taking their OPDs. So it is impossible to get your target easily. But I
Yeah,
am
yeah.
trying my level best. I am
Hmm.
trying my level best in getting up to 60, 70 or 80%. but you already knew that the company will never be happy up to 100%. They almost wanted to more than 110% from
Right,
yourself.
right.
And recently, last we had a con call with a vice president sir and sales head India. They said ki we are trying to give some important incentive plan to each and every employee that is based from 8. We are not getting up to 5 enrollment in a month, and they are planning to sell 8, and you will get up to 25,000 lucrative incentive in every month.
Yeah, actually, that all are the strategies to pitch up something. Actually, that is a motivating
Yes.
kind of thing, but already people do get demotivated. At least there should be something reasonable now.
Yes.
Anyways, these are the company policies, Abhishek. We cannot do anything in that. But what I can do best is I can get you aligned with some of the placement opportunities in your area, that is Jharkhand.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I have some information, and that there is a lot of openings in a Reliance Jio in a field sales officer and Reliance Jio, and one is in the Flipkart, and one is also is in a courier section DHL or Flipkart delivery. So if you
So,
have any
would you like
connection,
to go for Flipkart delivery kind of things?
maybe supply in a supply chain section or
Supply
sales
chain.
or something.
Okay,
Yeah,
supply chain you can go for. For
because from last 5
SCM, For SCM I know
supply chain
some.
management, sir.
Yeah, I know, no, I know supply chain management. For SCM, I do have some
Even
companies. They are
yes,
looking
yes,
for
yes.
candidates right now. So, but you told me that you are not willing to relocate to any other place from
Yes,
Jharkhand
yes, yes, sir.
because of your
If
parental.
sir, yes, 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 sir. Yes, actually, even my brother is having a blood clotting, and their mind up to his
Okay,
mind is almost 15% dead. So
okay,
even I cannot left his, and every now and then, matlab, within a week, 2 to 3 times he get fainted. So I cannot left him. That's why.
yeah, I
Otherwise,
know, I
otherwise
know.
there's the no issue. I was also
Abhishek,
in Delhi
anyways,
for last three
Abhishek,
to three
anyways,
years.
give
Yeah.
me few more time here. Let me get some time. I'll assist you
Yes, sir.
out
Sure, sure,
for
sure,
sure.
sure.
So, anybody, Sudipta
Yes,
Roy,
sir.
you
Sure.
want to say something, please?
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
Arvind.
Arvind Kumar here.
Yeah, Arvind,
Sir,
welcome.
sir, actually, last week we had a chat and I told you that I have done payment and this week I got the ATJ card also, but I am not getting any placement opportunity.
Okay, Arvind, today also you did not receive any email from our side?
No, nothing. I didn't receive anything. And sir, first of all, मीन्स आपसे बात कब हो सकती है ये आप बता दीजिए. आपका नंबर नहीं रहता या आप व्हाट्सएप पे रिप्लाई मुझे नहीं मिल पाता है आपका.
Telephonically, give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Your number is
8698763426. I tried almost 10 times today, but it was not able to connect you.
86. Your number was on phone. Telephones are coming on this number, right? It's not like that. Eight
No.
eight 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 six nine eight.
Yeah.
Okay, that is your number. See, give me a second. So have you filled up that form also? There is a
Yeah,
form
yeah.
now that I have said.
Yes, yes.
You are for data science now?
Yeah. I filled the
Arvind?
form on Saturday.
Or okay, that's great. Then that must have not been updated in my database. That would be the reason. Anyways, what I'll do. I have received your message here that you have sent yesterday, I think, on
No, I
19th.
sent.
19th on 19th you sent
Yeah,
that
well, that
message.
problem was solved. At that time, I didn't have the ATJ card, but I got later on. So now I have the ATJ card. I have filled the form.
No problem, no problem. I'll update your details in my database so that you can get placement details from my side. That is not a problem. Now you will not face that problem.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Sir, actually, I have a query.
Tell me, please.
Actually, sir, actually, we got a mail from your side, and it is eligibility that is a minimum 60% throughout
Yeah,
entire from 10th to 12th, or
yeah.
okay, okay, thank you.
Not in post graduation, but in the entire duration of the study, that is 10 towards that all.
Okay. But sir, we are in state government will really get the new kind of percentage.
That
50
is
or
a
55%
problem.
is a
Yeah.
quite,
In
yeah. So
UP,
in a
UP,
state
in
government,
UP, that was a problem. Yeah, I can understand that. Yeah.
sir, even
Anyways,
Jharkhand, sir, Jharkhand.
in
When
UP,
I
Jharkhand, and Bihar
when
also
I got,
same.
you won't believe, sir, when I got 12th, only 10% people get qualified in the 12th. You won't believe. And near about 2.5 lakh people appear in 12th exam and only qualified 21,000 student. That is the achievement.
Oh my God.
You won't believe,
Maybe
sir.
so you were the one who passed that exam.
Yes, sir, exactly.
That's great. That's great. Yeah. That you
With
are doing
with
so good. You know, being in that state also. Otherwise, so many people from that state
yes,
have migrated to other states, be it Delhi,
yes.
Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, etc. But I like it. Anyways, thank you so much, Abhishek.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Can we, sir? It is possible that next schedule will be around 4:30, because sir, 4 p.m. will be most of the time I'm with my seniors,
Okay.
and I'm unable to join.
Let
That's
me
why I'm
take
getting time.
That's why you were watching as at clock again and again. Anyways, Abhishek, let me try
Yeah.
if more inputs will be on the same ground, then we can think about
Yes.
it also. Okay.
Yes, sure, sir. Sure,
Thank you
sure.
so much.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hi,
Hello,
Isaac
sir.
Anyal.
Yeah, good morning from Ghana. It's 11 a.m. here in Ghana.
Okay.
And thank you very much for such an opportunity. I think today is my first time of joining because of the hours interval.
Great.
So I think it's a great opportunity for us and to meet my colleagues throughout the world. I'm very grateful. But unfortunately, we don't know whether you can adjust the time for us, because 10 o'clock a.m. here in Ghana, we are at post. It's not easy for your employer to allow you to join the Zoom.
Okay.
So I quite remember last time I sent a message to the administration whether they can do something about it for us, because always I receive the mails on this in the Zoom lecture.
But Isaac, this is
I couldn't be able to join it.
Yeah, Isaac, but there is a little problem now. In India, if we will keep it in the morning, say for example 10 a.m. or 11 a.m., then it will be again problem for you. Then it would be being night at your place. And if we keep it little more late, then also it will create a problem. So try to manage anyhow if could be possible. What you can do is you can come and attend the classes for half an hour, that is initial one, and 15 to 20 minutes of last one, so that we can have a face-to-face conversation also with you.
Okay. And I wanted to find out whether if you are not able to join the Zoom discussion, you can upload the videos on the site so that you can go and download
Yes,
it.
yes, that is there. All these videos are uploaded on the YouTube channel. Okay, so you can watch these videos over the YouTube. That is not a problem. What I'll do is, do you have my contact number with you?
Please, I didn't hear you, please.
Do you have my contact number? Do you have my mobile number?
No, I don't.
Okay, then I have shared my number here on the screen. Okay, in the chat box, you can take this number. You can ping me over the WhatsApp, and I'll share you link of the YouTube channel from where you can watch all the videos of mine as well as some other faculty members. Okay. I think that will be a kind of help to you. That will work, no?
Yeah, you are right.
Okay. So thank you so much, everybody.
And my regards also to all my colleagues.
Yeah, you can meet more members after some time. You are requested to kindly join next meeting, then you can meet more members. Okay, so thank you so much, Vibhor, Abhishek, Ishaq, Rahul.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Vibhor,
Thank you
Vijay
so much,
Singh.
sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
one more thing I want to ask.
Yeah,
Hello.
tell me.
या सर मतलब कोर्स के बाद भी अगर प्लेसमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी है
Yeah,
कि
def
मतलब
100%. This is for lifetime almost. Until and
ओके
unless you will be a member of
सर
this.
मतलब यस सर मतलब 6 मंथ का कोर्स है जैसे, तो मतलब अगर पहले प्लेसमेंट हो जाएगा कि मतलब बाद में ऐसा, मतलब
Placement can be
अपॉर्चुनिटीज के।
placement would be in mid of this course also, and after the course also you will be given opportunity. That is not a problem. Okay.
ओके ओके सर,
Okay.
ओके
So thank you so much, everybody.
ओके।
Hello, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Vijay. Yes, Vijay. Tell me.
Sir, actually, I am pursuing course from data science.
Mm-hmm.
So I would like to know the means what kind of companies and what kind of domain of companies you are offering for the placement.
Actually, Vijay Singh, we are offering the companies in data science from the field of data science only. These companies would be IT firms, okay, and non-IT also. Some companies are there who are into this kind of profile, okay. So Capgemini would be there, Infosys would be there, Accenture would be there, and some of the companies what are not as that much renowned, but that those companies also are giving you option to get placed, and those companies are giving you good packages also.
Okay, basically, sir, I have completed my graduation in electrical engineering.
Okay.
So I was also looking for the job means related to my domain means my graduation domain.
Like that also can be done, Vijay. That also can be done. You can work in such companies which are into that kind of domain. But in all nowadays, what do we mean? Can you please explain me about the data science? What exactly you do?
Sorry,
Do you have any idea?
about what?
What exactly the data scientists do?
Yes, sir. Data scientist means basically, sir, um, data role of the data science. There are n numbers of roles data science being offered. Okay,
Okay.
so basically, if I machine learning engineer, so
Mm-hmm.
machine learning engineer basically does means to take a raw data, make a predictable model, so that
Mm-hmm.
according to customer requirement, according to client requirement.
Exactly. So the same things happens in case of electrical or electronics engineering companies also. Okay, so you can
Okay,
get
yes, I
option to
yes,
work in those companies, or if you join
yes,
any
yes, yes.
core IT company also, then in core IT
Oh,
companies also you can get option of working on this kind of profiles that you can choose, that I want to work on the projects of the companies which are into electrical and electronics. So that is not a problem.
okay, okay,
Okay,
okay,
thank you so
okay.
much.
And means when will the placement means placement कब चालू होगा मतलब अभी कोर्स हमारा
Yes.
4-5 months का है nearly.
Yes, placement is already going on. Okay, I'm floating some of the opportunities with you all, but it is
Okay,
taking little time. Maybe you are requested to kindly fill up that form. Okay, I'll share it. You can ping me on the number what I have shared with you, and after
okay,
getting that, after pinging me on that, I'll share a link. Through that link, you can share your details with me. Then you will be able to get placement details from my side.
okay, okay.
Thank you so much.
So please update my profile
Sure,
kindly.
I'll do. Thank you.
Okay, sir.